Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sugar and spice lip scrub. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we're making this sugar and spice lip scrub with brown sugar and cinnamon oil to gently exfoliate your lips and remove dry dead skin cells. This is an easy cold process formula, so we will start with our hero ingredient, Sapogel Q. Sapogel Q is a Cosmos approved liquid blend that allows us to make stable translucent balms with the texture of petroleum jelly. Place the Sapogel Q under an overhead mixer and make sure that the blades are covered by the Sapogel Q and mix under high shear. While that's mixing, we will add our lipids. Sapogel Q can stabilize up to 80% lipids. I'm using a combination of macadamia, coconut and liquid shea butter. If you prefer to use all natural lipids, you can use traditional shea butter and just melt it down before adding it to the mixer. Now it's really important that we add the lipids dropwise to the formula, so just take your time and pipette that in. Once phase A and phase B are combined, you can turn the mixer down to low shear and add the sugar. I'm using brown sugar for the colour, but you can use caster sugar or raw sugar instead. Just be mindful that the different sugars will create different exfoliant particle sizes. And now for the spice, I'm using cinnamon lip balm flavouring oil. Make sure you double check that the cinnamon oil you use is lip safe, as there are a lot of cinnamon oils out there that are suitable for personal care formulas, but not suitable for the lips. So it's important that you double check that you're using the correct one. And I will finish with some mixed tocopherols to protect my formula from oxidation. Once that's blended through all nicely, you can turn it off. And we have this beautiful, rich lip scrub that will reach its full viscosity in the next 24 hours. See? And that's how easy it is to make a sugar and spice lip scrub. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!